In this video series, we are going to learn how to plan a house drainage system in Revit with RAUPIANO Plus from REHAU. If you haven't yet downloaded the RAUPIANO Plus BIM content, please watch the previous video, How do I get REHAU BIM content. By downloading the zip file, you will get 3 files: RAUPIANO Plus Gallery Project, with an overview of the various RAUPIANO Plus products and the possible connections. RAUPIANO Plus template, where you can start planning your project. In addition, you will get a Dynamo script, which you can use in order to assign the article numbers to the pipes which have been already drawn in your project. This script will help you also to estimate the count of the individual pipe parts. In the next video, we will look at each of these 3 files in detail. Thanks for watching. You can find more BIM tips and tricks on the BIM at REHAU channel.